Previously, I bought this Mercedes CLA from auction and then I blew up the engine. So I should probably fix it. Yeah. Let's start by taking out this rubber trim, and then I gotta pull off this air duct. Then I gotta take off all of these screws for the front bumper. And look at this guy trying to kick me in the head. But once I've taken this last bolt out, I can pull the bumper off, and I might as well pull the star out, cause why not? Then we jack the car up in the air, and I prepare to ruin my mental health. Now I gotta take off the headlights on both sides that I held on with these little torque screws, and there was a lot of these little things, but once they're out, boom, the headlight comes straight out. Next comes the crash bar, which is held on by these 4 little bolts, and the crash bar's off. Good job. Then I stripped the coolant reservoir, followed by which I went for the air box and the battery, which then gave me access to go further. But look how ugly that is. But let's take off this last screw that's holding it all on. And once that was out, naturally the only thing left to do was buy a body kit. Cause why not? What else could go wrong? So I started stripping off the rear diffuser, and then I had to take off the 2 bolts that are holding in the tips, because I think these tips are ugly. And once that was all off, I can now put on the new diffuser with the quad tips. Much better. Now let's address this broken wing mirror. I started off by buying the new glass, and then decided to strip the whole mirror. All for the sake of these smoked LED indicators. They look cool. Yeah. And look at it now, like it was never broken. But let's get back to the main problem. The engine. When I tell you this thing was probably the dumbest thing I decided to do. Look at it. It's broke. It's just dead. Look at this. Not 1, not 2 or 3. But 4 different failure points in this one block. Yeah, this thing was finished. Now I just feel bad for this car. Just look at it. But look at this. We got a brand new engine. It's obviously used. Brand new is a bit expensive. But now we're just stripping off everything that we need from the old block to put onto the new one. I couldn't find a torch, so I just decided to have a candlelight dinner. It was really romantic. But now we got the new engine in. We've skipped a whole chapter here, but I forgot to film. So, cut me some slack. It went in. And now we just need to do all the wiring. And once that was done, of course it wasn't going to work. So, it came up with all of these fault codes. Now, majority of these are just to do with the onboard electrical system and a voltage malfunction, which I'm thinking is a bad ground point, or a few cables that are possibly never connected. But I guess I'm gonna find that out after I check everything all over again. If at this point you haven't subscribed yet, please have some sympathy, please be considerate, and please have a heart. And I'll catch you in the next one.